Hi people, in this moment I think about compare different cultures. My name is Angie Marcela Herrera Peláez. I am bachelor's degree in English. Colombia versus Sudan. Colombia and Sudan. Typical means Colombia, very delicious. Colombia gastronomy is well, its culture is varied and abundant thanks to the different climate and fertile lands that our country has. It is possible that due to the extensive list of options, even many of the inhabitants of Colombia do not know Irenis is in territory. Sudan Sudan is an eminently agricultural country. The majority of the population works in this sector. For this reason, vegetable dishes such as pho, a mixture of beans, cheese, tomatoes, and arugula leaves are very abundant. Culture Colombia, Sudan. Colombia, the second richest country in biodiversity in the world, has a culture that can only be described as majestic. The most notorious characteristic is the classification of racial groups. In the country we find four: mestizo, mulatto, brown and sambo, and such a way that Colombia is seen as a multicultural and multi-ethnic country. Sudan. Sudan, due to the great cultural diversity of Sudan, it is difficult to classify the traditional cultures of the different peoples. Sudanese societies and traditions have diverse linguistic, ethnic, social, cultural, and religious characteristics. Biodiversity, very beautiful biodiversity, Colombia. Colombia, with more than 50,000 registered species and close to 31 million protected hectares, equivalent to 50% of the national territory. Our country ranks second worldwide in biodiversity. And Sudan, temperatures rise, water sources are scarce, soil fertility is low, and severe droughts are common after many years of desertification. The rich biodiversity of this African country is threatened, and the drought makes it increasingly difficult to fight hunger. Thanks a lot.